Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into an incredibly useful feature that can help protect your device from theft. It's called Theft Detection Lock, and I'm going to show you exactly how to turn it on. Let's get started. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the option labeled Security or Security and Privacy, depending on your device. Tap on that. Now look for an option called Theft Detection Lock or something similar. Some devices might have it under Device Protection or Anti-Theft. Tap on it to proceed. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see a toggle switch to turn on the Theft Detection Lock feature. Simply tap the switch to enable it. Some devices might ask you to confirm your choice or set up additional security measures like a PIN or fingerprint. Follow the prompts to complete the setup. Once enabled, this feature uses your device's sensors to detect suspicious movements, like if someone snatches your phone and starts running. If it detects potential theft, it can automatically lock your phone, sound an alarm, or even send you a notification with the device's location. And that's it. You've successfully turned on the Theft Detection Lock feature on your device. It's a simple yet powerful way to add an extra layer of security to your phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.